So this video is going to show you where we've installed the SavvyLevel on this Titanium Caravan. This is a heavy metallised caravan, yet the SavvyLevel can go on the inside because it uses airbag systems. Now SavvyLevel can be for ramps as well. So let's have a look. The SavvyLevel will go under the seat in the kitchen area. It'll go upside down just in the back corner there because SavvyLevel can be calibrated upside down. Look, we're standard in many high-end vans, either inside or outside. We can go inside the caravan anywhere or outside on the A-frame. It's IP68 rated. So here's Jason using the remote control to level using his airbags, and it's taken about 5 seconds. This is the owner from Titanium Caravans. Let's hear what he has to say.
Easy.
He's done. It's taken him, how long did that take, Jason?
5 seconds, not even.
SavvyLevel works with ramps as well. It's not only for airbag systems. SavvyLevel has TRC technology and the 10x zoom feature, without which you cannot level. Try SavvyLevel today, savvylevel.store.